You don't sound very happy, but you're smiling. One, two, three.
Oh, jump! Oh, we got it. You got it.
The bugs are getting mean out here.
Yeah, I know what. You're getting in my head.
Yeah, go. Get your motor going. I don't know. That's his... My video is gonna make people sick.
Whoa! Oh!
Are you ready to get out? You done swimming? Wanna get out? Your bottom lip's quivering. Are you getting cold? You done? Are you done swimming? Done? Hey, he's stuck. I don't know what. Jump in, Grandpa. Oh no. His little legs are going like mad. You're swimming. You're swimming. You little puppy. He's just a natural. Look at him go. You're just a natural. Are you a sheep? You sound like a sheep. One, two, three.
Yep.
Swim, swim. He's kicking the whole time. Swim, swim.
You get your mouth full of water. Do it on purpose.
Swim, swim. Go. Make bubbles.
Go. Hey, go. Hey, we couldn't do that again. Right off Grandpa's head. Right off my head. Yeah. The boat.
Is this called Make Grandma Fetch? Oh, boy. One, two, three.
Oh, oh.
Careful, Grandpa.
What are you doing?
Says I'm kicking. Watch it, he's getting his ears in.
He's spazzing out.
He was kicking.
Are you spazzing?
He says, I did not like that water in my
You
ear.
didn't like the water in your face, did you? There we go. Okay. Where's the ball?
He'll be swimming next year.
Where's the ball?
What's this?
One, two, three.
Jump!
Um,
Oh, it's a plane.
The plane! The plane! The plane! I don't care about no plane. I like trains. I'm a train guy.
One, two, three, four. You're like a puppy. Five.
Oh! Oh, there it went. Over here. Over here. She fooled you. Yeah. Grandma, you're supposed to go on three. Supposed to go on three, ain't you?
You guys are making me jealous. I need to take a shower. I'm hot. Gannon, are you having fun? Gannon? Gannon, are you having fun?
You're having fun making Grandma fetch, ain't you?
And wait. One, two. Got it. Oh. Just stick your nose in the water?
Stick your nose in the water? Huh? Oh, so serious. Oh my goodness, what are you thinking about? What is it?
Making bubbles?
You aren't pooping, are you? Uh-oh, there it went. Uh-oh. There it went.
Can you say, get it, Grandma?
Yeah.
Last time, okay? One, two, three. Uh-oh.
Whoa! Look how far it went this time. We gotta swim a long ways. You gotta swim a long way. You gotta swim a long ways this time. Oh boy. It's all the way across the pool. Whoa! Alright. Woo!
Yay.
Woo! Look how far Grandma's away now.
Hi, Gannon. Hi. Hi, way over there. Did you swim all the way over there? Yeah. Darn bugs. Ooh.
Are you gonna get mad if we get out?
He wants to do it some more. One, two, three.
Oh my! Look how far you gotta swim. Oh boy!
He pedals just like he's riding a bike.
Gotta swim.
Hi. Bye.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi.
Grandma. Ooh. Ooh. Thomas. Woo!
Sorry, bud, but the bugs are eating Grandma.
Ready to get out? Go inside? Should we go in and get out?
Wanna go get some ice cream?
Oh.
Gannon, wanna go get some ice cream?
Yeah, he was doing that under the water.
What did you do? Did you toot?
Farted, Grandma.
Did you toot?
Fart.